Everybody knows that Solana meme coins are on absolute fire, and guys, I've got one that just dropped a couple of minutes ago. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, of course, that time frame is going to change. But if you're one of the first to watch this video, you are going to be one of the first to know about CrashBoys. It is a brand new Solana token that's got a very cool game, a play-to-earn game associated with it. So if you want to check out the chart, if you want to check out CrashBoys, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we got CrashBoys on the screen right now. Now look, I'm not a huge gamer myself, but I know a lot of people are going to be very interested in this extremely simple to play game. But everybody comes to the Solana playground to walk away with massive gains. Now, I'm going to be looking at this chart in a second here. We're going to go over this a little bit better in a little bit more detail because it could be getting ready to break out of resistance and explode. But I want to let you know it is extremely volatile at the moment because it literally just launched at about 2 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure that you guys are investing based on your risk. Now, of course, you can find links for everything in the description below, or you can go out and you can, of course, search for CrashBoys on Dex Tools, Radium, wherever you find necessary to do so. But let's go over what this token is all about, and then we're going to take a look at the chart there. So this is CrashBoys on the Solana network, and I'm not going to connect my wallet to this website and show you guys how to play the game, but essentially you are trying not to crash your car. And of course, as the game progresses, I believe you can bet more and more Solana so that you can go out there and earn higher and higher rewards. Higher the risk, higher the return. But guys, let's go take a look at some of the tokenomics and so on. Now, introducing the CrashBoys, I'm not going to go through and read through everything right now, but you are basically playing as these characters here, trying not to crash your car. Extremely simple, yet invigorating gameplay for those of you who do like the risk to reward and the play to earn style out there. Now, moving on from there, the narrative, once upon a time in the bustling city of Crashville, there existed a group of friends known as the CrashBoys. And you guys can, of course, read through that if you're extremely interested in playing the game and so on. Why play? Look, it's very straightforward, yet gripping gameplay. You're just trying not to crash your car. The dynamic risk to reward system. The more you risk, the more your rewards. It is a very energetic pace and interactive competition for those of you that are interested in gaming tokens and this play to earn sort of a lifestyle. Now, revenue sharing, if you're interested in holding, this is pretty sweet. Revenue sharing to holders incentivizes participation in the CrashBoys ecosystem and rewards players for the contribution to the game's success. Clearly, if nobody wants to play, this game is not going to be successful. But if everybody joins in, has a little fun, risks their CrashBoys, of course you can make a lot of money along the way and have some fun. Now, it aligns the interests of players with the growth and profitability of the game, fostering a more engaged and dedicated community. And if you guys would like to read the light paper, you can go do so. I'm not going to pull it up in this video. Tokenomics for any project are always important. The total supply is 1 billion boys. All right, go grab your billion boys if you want to. 200 million was allocated to the private sale, 100 million allocated to the pre-sale, and it has launched. Okay, guys, we are already trading. You guys need to check this out as soon as possible. 10% of the supply set aside for those community rewards there. Of course, 15% kept for development of the game, and team and advisors are keeping 10% as well. You guys can see the breakdown right here, but we're about to jump into the chart so that you guys can see what CrashBoys has to offer. I believe they got a Google Play and Apple App Store. I mean, if you got an iPhone, right? Go Samsung on that one. But if you guys have those, you can download those and so on if they're available in your, I guess, jurisdiction or wherever you are right now. But their roadmap, they are ready to play. And the token has been launched. So we're going to check that out in just a second here. But of course, you can go ahead and find all of their socials down at the bottom of their website, which you can find in the description below. This is what I know you guys have all been waiting for anyway, the price action on CrashBoys. Now, I'm going to refresh this page right here, and as you can see, CrashBoys is currently sitting at 1770 points per coin. It is already up 250% on the day today, and it is brand new. Guys, you're talking about a Solana token that is not yet trending. If it hits the Dex Tools trending page up here, you better be ready for some very quick gains and some massive volatility. Right now, it has a tiny $174,000, $180,000 market cap right now, $47,000 in the liquidity pool. Guys, it has been out for literally 46 minutes right now as I'm recording this video, and it's already done $290,000 in volume. I mean, people are knowing about this. It's got a lot of people that are going to be talking about it, right? They've got a decent marketing budget, let's put it that way. Now, Solana tokens, very high risk, very high reward. If this is something that catches on, you are going to see massive gains in terms of price action here. But because it is so early, I don't know if you guys are used to trading coins that are just out for a couple hours or not, but please be aware, the volatility is extremely high. Very low sells and very low buys could cause very high price action in terms of, you know, $1,000 sell causing maybe a 1-2% decline in the price there. Same deal for the upside, right? Somebody comes in and buys $1,000, all of a sudden you might be seeing 5-10% upside potential in the price action. So just be aware of the volatility. But man, if you are looking to get into a Solana token that does have a marketing budget behind it, if you are okay and you can stomach the volatility, I urge you, go out, check out CrashBoys, play the game if you are interested in playing the game, or simply play the chart if you are interested in playing the chart. Now, I want to know what you guys think about this token down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.